Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Nissan 370Z. You can, if it's not on the screen already, if you're just driving along and you're kind of not in a hurry to go and you know where you're going, but you just want to be reminded and know whether there's any bends up ahead, you can have it on the map like so. There's route there and there's destination. So click onto destination, new address. Now you can either use your fingers, touch screen, or here just use these direction buttons here. So onto postcode, click postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatleydale, Preston, PR5. Sometimes you need a space. If there's only 2 digits, we'll just try it. PR54 JS, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatleydale, Preston, PR54 JS, and then you've got list here. Now click list, and it's brought up Chorley Road, and that's okay for me, so it's defaulted to okay. Click OK.
Starting route guidance to your destination.
That's it. That's how you do it.